do it.
Touch him up, touch him up.
Here we go. Jay.
Here we go, kid.
You got your jab. You got those checks too. Jabs, jabs, jabs. Yeah, two, Jake.
Use those numbers.
Come on, let's go. He keeps on two. There you go.
There we go.
Hands up, Jake. There you go. Good.
Spin him. Spin him. Cedric, spin him. Spin him against the fence. Spin him. Spin.
The shoulder.
Spin. Spin him. There you go. Good. Nice. Knee the legs. Keep going. Bring your leg up.
Shoulder, left hook.
Bring your leg up. Knee the legs. Curve knee. Curve knee. Good.
There you go.
There we go. Double jab. Double jab. Double jab. Cedric. Double jab. Nice and relaxed. Pop, pop, bang. Leg kick. Come on. Double jab now. Double jab, leg kick. Boom, boom. Come on. Just do it. Leg kick. Leg kick. Good. Hands up. Breathe. Breathe while you're doing it. Jab, hook, leg kick. Good. Hey, Cedric. Listen to me for a second.
You ready? Do it.
The push kicks are great too.
Let's go, Jake.
Nice and relaxed.
Let's go. Yeah.
On your toes. Nice. Good. On your toes. Good. Bring it to the head if you want to. Nice. Nice. The head movement. There you go. Head movement. Move your. Come on, Frederick. Push kick. Push kick, Frederick. Bang. Right there.
Come on, Jake. Hands up.
Body head. Head body.
Kill that body, Cedric. Nice. There you go. Nice.
Use those legs. Come on, kid.
You got the kicks, dude.
Leg kick. Here it comes.
1, 2. Let's
Blast
go.
his
1, 2,
leg.
Jake.
Blast his leg. Inside leg when he comes in on you.
Do it again.
Take his leg out from under him when he steps forward. Inside or outside. Move your head. There you go. Move your head.
Swing up.
Uppercut hook.
1, 2. 1,
Right uppercut, left hook. Finish with a kick.
1, 2. Let's go.
Here you go. Come on. Move forward.
You're good. You're doing good.
Overhand right. Good. Overhand right. Boom. Dig his body.
1, 2, Jake.
Good.
Keep that
Come
hand
back to
up.
that kick.
Hand up.
Breathe. Here we go.
You got the kicks, Jake.
Side kick him, Cedric. Side kick him when he comes in.
Come on, use them.
Bang.
1, 2. Walk him to the cage. Give me 10.
Finish with that back. Spinning back kick.
Don't wait.
10 in a row.
Spinning back kick when he comes in.
Here.
Let it go. Spinning back kick. Bang. Bang. Don't hold your breath. Let it go. Knee. 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 Knees, legs. Good. Knees, legs. Opposite knee. Opposite knee. Opposite knee.
Watch the inside.
Curve knee. Curve knee. Curve knee. Curve knee. Right there. Right knee. Right knee. Bang. There it is. Bang. Good. Spin him. Breathe. Now breathe. Now relax and catch your breath. Relax and catch your breath. Kick his leg. Kick his legs.
10 seconds. Let him
Kick
go.
his leg. Kick his leg.
Let him go, Jay.
Do it.
David.
Here we go, kid.
Date.
Go. Off your heels. Let's go. Bounce around. Jake, bounce around.
Jab kick, Sid. Boom. Bang. Straight forward. Step in. Flick that hand out there. Flick it out there. Pop. Pop that jab. Pop out. Bang. Quick. Good. Hands up.
Punches. Let's go.
Push kick. Bang.
Arms up.
Finish with a kick. Finish with a kick. Kick. Relax. Relax. Spin him. Spin him. Keep your leg up. There you go. You can't knee right there. Wait for the referee to break you up.
Body head. Body head.
You gotta move.
Wait for him to break you
Off
up.
the shoulder. Right there. Off the shoulder.
Use those knees.
Block those knees.
Come on, Frederick, you got it, man. Relax a bit.
You got that rag in?
Yeah. Caught a knee in your nuts.
Give him time, give him time.
Yeah, it's his nose.
Hey, Cedric. All right, Cedric. Breathe and have fun while you're doing it, okay? Hey, just find the open spots. Just find the open. Hey, the body, go to the body, go to the head. Mix it up. Use all your tools. Use all your tools and have fun. Breathe and doing it. Cedric. Jab high. Bam! Right to the body. Hard. Kill that body. Okay? Kill that body. Kick to the ribs, whatever you want. Okay?
That's what we got to do.
Side kick to the ribs, spinning back kick. You got all the tools, man.
Jacob, put your hands on your head. Get some air.
Deep breath, Cedric. In through your nose. Deep breath. Okay? Kill that body, brother. If you have high, change your levels, go right to the gut. Come back with a hook up top.
Okay, here we go. Little cage maintenance. Here we go.
Here we go, Cedric. Let's go.
Here we go, boy, right here. Come on.
Find an opening. Light on your toes. Light on your feet. Bang. Side kick.
There you go, kid. Get at him now. Get at him now.
Come on, Jay.
Hands up, just block your
Work
face.
those legs. Work the legs.
Nice. Knee, your body.
Work those legs.
Good. Hey, Perry. Hey, cover your head right now. Cover while he punches, then fire back. Counter. Nice.
There we go.
Okay.
Lay it on him,
Stay
Frederick.
relaxed. Keep your hands up now.
up.
Let's go, Jake. Let's get it back. Let's get it back.
Head movement, head movement. Head movement. Breathe. 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 Head movement. Hands up.
1, 2.
Block all the punches with your hands. There you go.
1, 2.
Good. Beat him with a punch.
Hands up.
Breathe. Breathe.
Change it up.
On your
Change
toes.
it up.
On your toes. On your toes. Quick hands. Quick hands, Cedric. Quick hands, quick feet.
See it. Leg kick or head. Let's see some.
Nice. Guillotine choke. Just kidding.
Come on, Jake. Pop it out. Heads up. Heads up.
Cedric. Side kick. Side kick. Side kick.
1, 2.
Side kick.
Right on the cage. Let's go. Let's go.
Headgear.
Knees.
Headgear, ref.
Here you go.
Those knees.
Thank you. He can't breathe. He's covering his mouth.
Here you go, Jacob.
Pull his headgear down a little bit more.
Push off.
Thank you. Thank you. He can't breathe, man. It's covering his mouth. Okay. Doing good, man. On your toes? Huh?
My gear sliding off.
Hey, man. Make it slide off on his head. Okay? Listen to me. I need you to quick now. On your toes. On your toes and throw them off. You already beat him to the punch. Use your quick hands. Bang, bang. I need some body shots, man. I need something to the body. A push kick to the body. Please, anything to the body. Look. Bang, bang. Okay? Change your levels. Come on, man. What are you doing? 7? Come on, man. Here we go. 7-minute rounds. You ready? Hands up. Go.
Left leg.
Here we go, set on your toes. Keep doing it.
Use his legs. Keep the arms up.
Jumping push kick.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Nice.
Good, Cedric. Good job. Hey. Cedric. Got it?
All right, let's give it up for these two guys. That was a great fight. Evenly matched up. That was really good.
Great job.
Excellent fight. Good fight, guys. Excellent. Two warriors here. Excellent.
That yours? Sorry.
Vodka shit. You don't even drink vodka.
Nah.
Sponsored by vodka. Good job.
All right, guys.
All right, excellent fight, guys.